Friday is not just another day, it's a day of hope, blessings, and a fresh start. May your Friday be filled with serenity, your heart with contentment, and your prayers with acceptance. On this blessed day of Jumma, may your faith be renewed, your burdens lifted, and your heart filled with peace. Friday is the day of congregational prayer, the day of unity in faith, and the day to seek Allah's mercy. Friday is a reminder that no matter how tough the week has been, there's always a day to recharge your faith. The beauty of Jumma lies in the tranquility it brings to your heart, the peace it offers to your soul, and the smiles it spreads. On this holy day of Jumma, let's remember that the best gift we can give ourselves is a moment of reflection and a prayer to Allah. Friday is the day to forgive, to seek forgiveness, and to mend what's broken. Let your heart be as clean as this blessed day. May the light of Jumma shine upon your life, guiding you to success, happiness, and inner peace. Friday is not just a day of prayer, it's a day of opportunity, a chance to turn the page and start anew.